This is the MSXTTLY magnetic phone holder. This is how it comes in the box. Strong magnetic hold. A few bits of instructions on the back. Quite a nice design. So I've opened it up and I'll just slide it out. We are greeted with this. Some little vacuum magnet instructions. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's get rid of this. Right, let's make you a bit wider. Inside we have a little cleaning wipe, a couple of holders to put on the back of your phones. I'll show you what they look like. So if your phone doesn't have the magnets built into the case or actually phone itself, you can stick these onto the back of your phone and they'll magnetize to the actual holder itself. So that's pretty cool. Nice little touch. I'm pretty sure you could probably even attach these to like a tablet or something and then use it on the suction mount. This looks to be like a little protector, so you could probably just peel that off. Peel that off. Get rid of this stuff, don't need that. After sales service, good to know. The little wipes can go down there. This and this can go down there. Now this, is that sticky? That's a little bit sticky. Kind of cool. Let's try it on this surface. This is like a wooden stool thing. So you twist clockwise to lock it and anti-clockwise to unlock it. So push and twist. That's locked in place. That feels pretty sturdy on the wood. So I'm just using this is quite a big, this is a Samsung S21 Ultra. It's quite a big phone. I've got quite a big hand, so it looks quite small. I'm gonna stick one of these on here just to demonstrate what it's like on the holder. So I've managed to stick that on there, and I guess it just goes on there like that. Pretty solid actually. Let's do a lift test, see if it can lift. It lifted the whole. This is quite a big thing, quite a heavy thing to lift. I really like this design. It's got a real high sort of gloss sort of look about it, and it feels very sturdy and can turn nice. It's got a nice hinge on it. Folds quite flat. I mean, you can pretty much have it in any position you want, which is quite cool. So let's put this back on again. There. Let's put it up, down, anything really. I think we should try some different surfaces though, because you're probably not going to be putting it on wood. You're probably going to put it on something smooth, like a kitchen worktop or a car windscreen. So let's try a different place. So take this off. And then to remove this, you're just going to turn it anti-clockwise, lift this little rubber tab down here to pry it from the bottom. And off it comes, he says. It's got like a sticky sort of, it's not overly sticky. It's not left any residue or anything, but that just helps with a bit more strength. Quite cool. All right, let's go try a different work surface. All right, this is the next place I'm going to try it. It's just on a glass mirror. So put it on there, give it a twist. Nice and sturdy now. Get my phone. Okay, that's pretty cool if you want to do some, I don't know, if you want to watch a video while doing your makeup or something. Not that I'm going to be doing it in makeup, but that is pretty sturdy. Any angle. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So it works pretty decent on a mirror. All right, I'm in my car now. This is my current setup. It's one of the ones that just connect to like the air vent. The only upside to this is you can plug your cable in and it can do wireless charging. But this one has the advantage. This suction one has the advantage. It can literally go anywhere in this car. So I could put it on the dash here. I'll do that now. I'll just push down, rotate clockwise, and that's not going anywhere. I'll demonstrate with my other phone. So I could use that as a little nav thing. So I could just look over there. That's pretty cool. There's my screen. There's my phone. Or let's take that off. Oh, see, that's how strong it is. Even just pulling it off like that was quite difficult. Get your finger under there, give it a pull, and off. Let's try and put it on the screen higher. Rotate it clockwise. That go there, and then that go like that. Or I could turn it around, put something like that, and my phone can go portrait. Pretty damn good. Upside down. Or like this. I don't know. I'm just doing loads of random stuff just to demonstrate the flexibility of it. Anyway, I really like this. I do recommend it. It's solid. It's probably one of the best well-made phone holders I've seen. They've come a long way in recent years, which is quite nice to see, from little plastic flimsy ones that bounce around when you're driving to this thing. I don't think this is going to go anywhere, so that's pretty cool. So, clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to release, pull the little tab, and where it's got a sticky thing on it, it doesn't leave any residue, but I don't know if you can see it as I'm pulling it off. That is solid. And if you want to, you can just put this under water just to wash off any dust that gets on it and just use it over and over again. So that's pretty cool. The only thing I would say that would be quite nice is if it had a port on it to do wireless charging. But other than that, if you're not fussed about the wireless charging, I 100% recommend this new type of thing. It like folds up quite small and you can just chuck it in any other vehicle. So if you've got two vehicles or you got a works vehicle, then it's perfect for that. So yeah, highly recommended. I'll put a link to it below on Amazon if you want to buy one. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And also check out my other videos. I've got one unboxing this. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, see you in the next one.